Assalamu alaikum, today I'm going to do unboxing of the Rayneo Air 4 Pro. Now if we talk about specifications guys, it features a similar OLED display compared to the Rayneo Air 3S Pro, which I've previously unboxed on my channel, and but it comes with the HDR10 support, and the peak brightness is similar. It is up to 1200 nits, and the resolution is also similar, 1920 by 1080p, so with a refresh rate of 60 or 120 Hz refresh rate. And overall these are quite expensive compared to the Rayneo Air 3S Pro, which you can get, by the way, very cheap. And if you really care about the HDR10 support, then you might want to buy these. But let me just quickly show you the box here. As you can see, audio by Bang & Olufsen, so Air 4 Pro, and the box looks really nice. So here, as you can see, Rayneo branding over here, and here is the product name. So let me just quickly open this box. So here is our glasses, and here is the carrying case. Here is our glasses. Looks very identical to Rayneo Air 3S. And by the way, we already have the cover installed. The cover, the protector for the glasses, which is really nice. So yeah, looks really identical. I think it's the same if we talk about the design compared to Rayneo Air 3S Pro. So let me just quickly remove this plastic. And I really like the design of the Rayneo Air 3S Pro, so I think they don't want to change that design, because I really honestly think that these are very compact and lightweight. So let me just also check what else we get inside the box. Here is our quick start guide, I believe, which we don't need. So Rayneo here, as you can see. Let me put this to the side, and let's see what else we get inside the box. There is another package that I believe it has extra nose plug and a charging cable. USB Type-C cable to power the device on and to connect it with your device. So let me just quickly, yeah, this is the user manual, which we don't need. How do I put it? Okay, let's see what else. We have a microfiber cleaning cloth and some paperwork, additional paperwork. So where is the cable? Let me just quickly see if we get any cable. I think it's inside the carrying case, so let me just check there. And let me just put this back, and yeah, we get a cable inside our carrying case. So yeah, which is similar to our Rayneo Air 3S Pro. And a really nice microfiber cleaning cloth. So guys, I'm going to be testing these with my Galaxy S25 Ultra and get back to you. So I will skip this video and let you know if it is a worthy upgrade compared to Rayneo Air 3S Pro. So guys, after testing these, I didn't notice a major difference in terms of resolution and overall clarity, but I do notice that there is definitely HDR10 plus, HDR10 and AI HDR. If you are looking specifically for these features, you can upgrade, but honestly guys, it's not worth it. Price is a major difference, and you are better off buying the Rayneo Air 3S Pro, because these are very expensive compared to those. And honestly guys, it's not a major upgrade, but I still really like the HDR10 on Rayneo Air 4 Pro. If you like this video, leave a comment down below, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell notification so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching this video guys. Allah Hafiz.